Hi viewers, today I'm going to make a review on Gama Sneeky fountain pen, and this video is taken to give a better clarity on the pen, how it feels. Rather than seeing the image, you can see this video and can ensure doubly how the pen looks like and how the pen writes, etc. So it has a clear flat top on the cap and clear flat on the body of the bottom of the body. Also, it has a acrylic inner barrel so that you can easily visualize how much ink is filled. So as we told in our previous videos, in case of any damage on the nib, if you want to replace, it is somewhat risky unless otherwise you have proper tools in place, and you should not take the risk. And we can give you the dimensions of the equipment what you need to remove the feeder. See, this is the tool what we are going to use, and let me remove this grip and tell you. Yeah, I removed the grip. And before that, whenever you try to fill ink in such ebonite pens or any plastic eyedropper model pens, please apply Vaseline on the threads of the grip so that lubrication will be there, and the life of the threads will increase, so you can prevent leakage in long run. Okay, let us see how we can change the nib and feeder in case of any damage. Please don't try if you don't have any proper tools. Go to the nearby pen shops and give it to the experts so that they will help you. So this is the block what I'm going to use to remove. Just insert this grip part in the block. There is a hole. The hole diameter will be slightly excess than the wing diameter of the nib. Okay, so it will go exactly into the hole, and then you tap the top of the feeder with a nylon mallet or a wooden mallet. Just tap it, and the nib unit will comfortably it will separate. Please don't try any other method by pulling this on or using a cutting plier. Don't try to pull. Okay, so for this method is only for gamma pens, and if at all any other methods is required for some other pens, definitely we will share it with you. So okay, and now we will see how the pen writes. The pen comes with number 35 nib, so that uh, you can easily buy some spares in our website. If you go to our website, and you will get an option called pen spares, and then in pen spares you select the brand and the size of nib will come, and you can choose that for ordering. Just I am dipping it slightly, and I am removing the excess ink which is held in the fins of the feeder. And let me start writing now. Penhouse.in is one of the best pen shops in India. Yeah, this is writing very smoothly, and for this particular pen you can use low viscous ink and as well as high viscous ink of any type. So we have tested with all the inks in our previous experience, and particularly for this gamma pens, it is best suiting. If you have any queries on this pen particularly, please leave us in the comments so that we can help you better. Hope you had a good view on this pen. This is a green ebonite sneaky model pen. Thank you viewers.